Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I'm super excited. I mean, I probably start off that way every day, but today I am very excited because my Lola box came early, or at least earlier than usual. I think it came around like the 25th of last month and today's the 18th, so it's shipped around the 15th and I got it in a few days. It's not even one of the last boxes I've received this month, so super excited. I love when boxes come early. I feel like my boxes have been on time this month, and usually I think because I'm in Southwest Florida I get things later. I don't know, that's just my theory. But anyways, if you do not know, Lola Beauty box is obviously a beauty box, and it's kind of similar to BoxyCharm in the fact that it is $21 per month and has 4 to 5 full-size items. And they say this box at least has a retail value of $70. Usually you get more, but they guarantee at least that. So I've been loving it. This is probably my third or fourth box. If you've been following my channel, you may have seen a spoiler video. So I did a full spoilers for this, so I know what's inside. I've actually tried on the makeup items in the box already, so I have some first impressions to give you guys as well. But before I get into that, I want to remind you that I have 2 active giveaways right now. So there is the giveaway for the Advanced Derma Roller, which ends on the 21st, so that one is pretty soon. So if you have not yet, make sure to enter. And then the second giveaway is my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, which ends on the 31st of this month, so October 31st, Halloween. So I will leave the links below, so make sure you enter. Definitely worth it. The Derma Rollers has a value of $200, and then my personal giveaway has a value of over $300. So big giveaways, and I love giveaways, they're so fun. Anyways, let's get unboxing. So this is what the box looks like. I think it's super cute, like a little ombre effect. And then this is what it looks like. Some of the things I did take out of their little boxes, just so you know. But there is a card. There's a theme. It says, Autumn is Golden. And then it has their social media accounts on there. And on the back, it lists all of the items with their prices and a little description. And I added up the price. This box value is $93. So you pay $21 and you get it for you get $93 worth of products. So that's a great deal. I will start off with the lipstick. I'll just go in order of the cards. So I have this on right now. This is the Lunatics Cosmetic Labs and lipstick in Crypt Cream. Everyone will get this color this month. And at first I wasn't sure if I liked it, but it has grown on me. I probably had it on for about an hour now and it's still looking pretty good. So it's like a coral cream color. I think it's super pretty. It seems like this is pretty small, but honestly I only needed a swipe on the bottom of my bottom lip and then my top lip. I didn't have to go back in at all. It's ultra pigmented. It's creamy. It doesn't dry matte. Like it does dry, and it has lasting power, but it doesn't have that like dry matte feel, which is nice for me personally. I don't like the really drying lipsticks. So this is a $12 value, and it says Lunatic Cosmetics Labs Crypt Cream Lipstick Doesn't Kiss and Tell. This highly pigmented liquid lipstick features a flirty coral hue that applies sexy and opaque, and I agree with that. So I'll swatch it on my hand for you guys so you can see it, even though I have it on my lips, but super pretty. I really like it. And I think it looks better on camera, actually. Well, I don't know. I'm looking at my viewfinder right now. Sorry, I can't help it because I'm talking about it, but I do like it. I like the formula a lot. So the next thing on here is 2 sheet masks. So obviously I did not try these yet because they're in their original package, but if you know me, you know I love sheet masks. So these are by Masquerade. The first one is a hydrating facial sheet mask, and it's called I Don't Want to Grow Up. So the names are cute, so is the packaging. It's supposed to lift, firm, and soften lines. So this is what the packaging looks like of the first one. And then the second mask I received is the Pre-Party Prep, the Brighten, Prime, and Energize mask. So this is a hydrating sheet mask. This is the one I'm most excited about because when I was reading about it, when I was doing the spoiler video, it's supposed to prep your skin for foundation and makeup application. So if that works, that'll be awesome if it makes makeup look even better. So the value of these two together is $10. And it says, you may be ready for a night of partying and celebration, but is your face? Create a perfect canvas for foundation application with our Pre-Party Prep Hydrating Sheet Mask that will brighten, prime, and energize. Go ahead, jump into the fountain of youth and splash around. Whoever said you have to grow up anyway? Our I Don't Want to Grow Up Hydrating Sheet Mask helps to lift, firm, and soften lines while nourishing your skin. So awesome. I'm excited about that. And then the next thing is an item I also wasn't able to use because this is a shampoo. So this is the Project Beauty Smoothing Yogurt Shampoo, and this has a value of $12. So if you saw my spoiler video, I was saying I like getting shampoos, and I think the scent of this probably would be good, but something about yogurt kind of like creeps me out, but I'm open to using this. So this is supposed to help tame unruly, frizzy, dry hair. So this is definitely a good size for $12. Let's see if I can smell it. There's a safety seal, but yeah, I can kind of smell the fruity scents. So I will read to you more about this. So this is wondering when your hair got a mind of its own? Try this creamy, rich treatment with yogurt powder, prebiotics, quinoa, our botanical oil blend, and biokeratin, specifically formulated to help tame unruly, frizzy, dry hair and make friends with your hair again. Tip: massage a small amount of the Hairgurt shampoo into wet hair. Lather and rinse. For best results, follow with the Hairgurt Smoothing Yogurt Mask. Feel beautiful. This just made me think of Go-Gurt. Remember that like yogurt in a squeezy tube thing? Okay, how do you say this? Where'd it go? Yogurt, the Hairgurts. Okay. But anyways, I'll stop rambling about this. I'm not making any sense probably right now to you guys unless you know what Go-Gurt is. Icky, but I'm sure that's not icky. I'm excited to try it. So if you guys want to know, I can let you know in the, after I try it out what I think of it. But I did not get the chance to try it yet because I literally got this box like an hour ago. Alright, the next thing is the Bang Beauty blush, and this one came in a variety of colors, actually two. It was either Dolly or what was the other one? Or Cheeky. And I got the color I wanted. I got Dolly. Dolly is the more pink color. The other one was like a deeper color than this one. I'll show you this. This is very pink. There's a mirror, which is nice. But this is a good size blush. So I went in with a pretty light hand and it worked out well. I think it's really pretty. Oh, it's very smooth. I didn't swatch it. So see how pigmented that is? So I went very light-handed and it worked well. So I'm really glad I got the color I wanted. The other one I think would work better with deeper skin tones, but I haven't received it, so I can't really speak for that color, but I like how mine looks. And this is a value of $20, and this pressed powder blush delivers a soft, lightweight layer of sheer, silky color that glides on easily, blends effortlessly, and creates a radiant glow. This formula is richly pigmented and lasts for hours, all while being 100% cruelty-free. And it definitely is richly pigmented. I'll have to see how long it lasts. But I like that. I like the packaging. And then the last thing is a eyeshadow palette, which I used all of the colors. So the packaging looks like this. So it's pretty good packaging. There's a little mirror in there. And it comes with a quad, so 4 colors. And there, oh, you can see like my fan in there, or my camera. So this is expensive. This is a retail value of $39. And this eyeshadow quad is designed with 4 complementary shades and finishes to give you a multi-dimensional look that screams runway ready glam. So they collaborated with a fashion designer, like a Malaysian fashion designer. I'm probably butchering the name, but Zhang Toy, I believe it is. And I like this palette. I won't say I love it. Like, I wouldn't spend $39 on it, so I'm glad I got it in this box. That's one reason why I love subscription boxes. I get things I normally wouldn't splurge on. I tried all the colors, like I said. I think these apply better with your fingertip. Just you can build the color up. At first with the brush, I felt like I wasn't getting much pigmentation. They blend really well. The brown I used like in my crease and also in the outer corners to kind of deepen that. I used the black color kind of as an eyeliner, just lined my upper lid. And then I used the gold color all over my mobile lid, and I put a little bit of the silver color in my inner corner. And I like this because I think you can like wear it every day, you know, it's nothing too drastic. Like sometimes when I wear makeup here, like when I try things for my boxes and wear them on camera, like it looks good on camera, but like in real life, like I would probably look a little weird at like noon going to the grocery store or whatever. Like this palette, I feel like I could incorporate into everyday looks. So I do like it. I just think $39 might be a little bit of a stretch, but I like that it's blendable and it's not as pigmented as I would like, but when you use your finger, you can definitely build it up. So yeah, that is everything. What do you guys think? I think it was definitely worth $21. This is $93 worth of products. I used all the makeup at least, and I really liked the makeup. Like I said, the palette isn't like my all-time favorite, but I do like the look I was able to create. I like the lipstick and the blush too, so I just have to give those masks a shot and the hair shampoo. So I was super happy I got it in time. So let me know what you think, and also let me know if you want me to continue doing spoilers. Because I've been doing, or I just did one for this box. I haven't really done it for my others. I have a blog, which is always in the description box if you guys ever want to check that out, where I do some like BoxyCharm spoilers and stuff. I haven't done that on camera before. So let me know if you're into spoilers. I can definitely do more of those videos for you. I'll try and make it better quality. The last time it was like kind of like a slideshow type thing. I'll try and figure out how to edit one day. I know I need to learn. It's a learning process. I've only been doing this a couple months, guys, but I'm trying. So anyways, thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.